Hello friends, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry YouTube channel. As we discussed last class, dihaloalkanes. Dihaloalkanes, di means what? Two. Two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two halogen atoms, that is called what? Dihaloalkanes. Dihaloalkanes usually divided into what? Three types. The one is what? Geminal dihalides or gem dihalides. The second one is what? Vicinal dihalides or VIC dihalides. Third one is what? Polyhalogen compounds. Okay. Geminal dihalides means what? The two halogen atom directly attached to a carbon atom. That carbon is what? Single carbon atom. Two halogen atom directly attached to a single carbon atom, that is called what? Geminal dihalides. Okay. I told you two examples. One example is right, another example is what? That is wrong. Make it correction. Okay. This example is wrong example. Okay. I told last class. Okay. In this case there is no two halogen atom, no? That is why this is what? Wrong. You have to make it correction. You have to take another example for what? Geminal dihalides. Example is what? Simple. CS3 is there, this C, here one Cl, here one Cl, this is called what? CS3. Okay. This is the what? Another example for what? Geminal dihalides. Okay. Just here two halogen atoms directly attached to a single carbon atoms is called geminal dihalides. Okay. What is the name of this one? 1 1, you have to take this 1 2 3. In this case 2 2 dichloropropane is a IPAC. 2 2 dichloropropane is a IPAC, name of what? Geminal dihalides. Next you have to take another examples. Okay, this is what? CS3 is there. Next this is what? CH2 you have to take. Next this is Cl is there, you have to Cl. Next this is what? H. This is also what? Another example. You have to start from here 1 2 3. 1 1 dichloropropane is another example for what? Geminal dihalides. So, today we are going to discuss in this video the second dihaloalkanes, that is what? Vicinal dihalides. Second one is vicinal dihalides. Vicinal dihalides or VIC dihalides. This definition is also very simple definition. This definition, just see here, in this case two halogen atoms are directly attached to a adjacent carbon atom, that is called what? Vicinal dihalides. I repeat one more time, just see here, two halogen atoms directly attached to the two different carbon atoms, two different carbon atoms is called vicinal dihalides or VIC dihalides. This is the definition. Next one is what? Example see here, CS3, CH, this is what? Cl. Next one is what? CH2, this is what? Cl. Just see, satisfy this valency of this carbon 1 2 3. Next this is called what? 4 sigma bonds are present, means what? The carbon containing 4 bonds. This is the example of what? Vicinal dihalides. Just see here, these two halogen atom directly attached to a two different or adjacent carbon atoms. Two different or adjacent, you have to write adjacent also. Okay, that is also no problem. Two halogen atom directly attached to two adjacent carbon atom, that is called what? Vicinal dihalides. Okay. Next, what is the IPAC name of this one? You have to start from here 1, this is 2, next this is what? 3. What is the IPAC name in this case? This is called 1 and 2. You have to write 1 2 dichloropropane. 1 2 dichloropropane. Why you are going to write a propane? Because of 3 carbon prop. Okay, that is why in this case 1 2 dichloropropane is a IPAC nomenclature. You have to take another example for vicinal dihalides. This is what you have to take this one, CS3. Next one is what? CH. This is what? Cl. You have to take. Next same thing you are going to get. You have to change the number of carbon atoms. That is it. This is what? CH, Cl is there. Next this is what you have to write CH3, better make it Cl here only. Now tell me, this different example, variety example. Okay, you have to start from here 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to start from here also, no problem. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, no problem, because of the second position is going to get a what, that is substituent group is there Cl, and in this case also second this second is also going to get a substituent group, no problem. You have to follow any one of the method, but compulsory what, the according to locant rule, the substituent group is going to get a lowest number. That is why in this case, what is the IUPAC name of this one? Just here, this is 2 is there, this is 3 is there, 2, 3 dichlorobute, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbons are there, that is why you have to write bute. 2, 3 dichlorobutane, 2, 3 dichlorobutane is the IUPAC nomenclature of what, this compound. Okay, they are going to ask you 2 marks question, what is vicinal dihalides, give an example. You have to practice this definition, means means you have to, with the help of the example, you have to write definition directly. According to definition, just see here, 2 halogen atoms directly attached to 2 adjacent carbon atoms, that is called what, vicinal dihalides. In a geminal dihalides, 2 halogen atom directly attached to a single carbon, but in this case what, 2 different carbon. Okay. Next, the third one is what, polyhalogen compounds. Poly means what, many. Poly means what, many. Third one, polyhalogen compounds. Polyhalogen compounds. What is the definition of polyhalogen compound? Replacing more than 2 hydrogen atom by halogen atom, that is called what, polyhalogen compounds. You have to write a definition. Replacing more than 2, replacing more than 2 halogen atom, replacing more than 2 hydrogen atom by halogen atom, by halogen atoms, replacing more than 2 hydrogen atoms by halogen atoms, by halogen atoms is called polyhalogen compounds. Example for polyhalogen compounds you have to take CH3 as it is, next one is what, CH, here one Cl is there, next in this case CH2, this Cl is going to get a like this, otherwise you have to write here one Cl, no problem. Okay, this is the what, polyhalogen compounds. Poly means what, many, that is why in this case replacing more than 2 hydrogen atoms by what, halogen atoms. Okay, this is the what, example of what, polyhalogen compound. You have to write IUPAC nomenclature, start from here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case how many chlorines are there? 3 chlorine, 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma, next after that what, 1, 2, 3 is there, 3 comma, totally how many chlorines are there? Tetrachlorobutane is the IUPAC nomenclature of what, this one. Okay, up to this what, this is dihaloalkanes. The next one is what, the halogen atom attached to a saturated carbon atom, next one is what, unsaturated carbon atoms we are going to discuss. Simple. Heading is classification of halogens, classification of what, halogens on the basis of what, hybridization, basis of what, hybridization, classification of halogen on the basis of what, hybridization, classification of halogens, otherwise you have to write what, organic halogens, no problem. In this case you have to add organic halogens, classification of halogens on the basis of what, hybridization, Okay, classification of organic halogens on the basis of what? Hybridization. In this case, two types are there usually. First one, the compounds containing, first one you have to take compounds containing saturated carbon, compounds containing sp3 hybridization, sp3 hybridization, compounds containing sp3 hybridization means what? Indirectly saturated, okay. You know very well about that. Saturated means what? Carbon carbon single bond is a saturated compounds, saturated. Next one is what? Carbon carbon double bond, carbon carbon triple bonds are what? Unsaturated, okay. This one is indicate what? Compounds containing sp3 hybridization. Second one, compounds containing sp2 hybridization, that is what? Unsaturated. Okay, we are going to discuss first one, after that we will discuss second one. The first one, compounds containing sp3 hybridization, indirectly what? Saturated. Means what is the theme of this one? Means the halogen atom attached to a carbon, that carbon must be a saturated. Okay, that is important. In this case, this first one is divided into three types. Usually they are going to divide three types. The first one is what? Alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. First one is what? Alkyl halides. Second one, so the second one is indicate what? That is benzyl halides or allylic halides. Second one you have to take allylic halides. Third one you have to take what? Benzylic halides. Benzylic halides. Third one is what? Benzylic halides. Okay. Just I am going to remove this one, saturated, and next one is what? Unsaturated. Okay. First one is what? Alkyl halides. Okay. I am going to write here only first one. Just I am going to remove these two. I am going to explain here only better. Okay. First one is alkyl halide, second one is allylic, third one is what? Benzylic. I am going to remove these two. We are going to study now, right now, is what? Alkyl halides. Alkyl halides means what? In this case, mono halogen, derivatives of what? Monohalogens compound, that is called what? Alkyl halides, derivatives of monohalogen compounds. Just here example for alkyl halides. That is the definition of alkyl halide, monohalogen derivatives of what? Alkyl halides, okay, or halogens. Just here in this case, CH3 is there, next one is what? CH2, next one is what? Cl. Just here according to this concept, means the halogen atom attached to a carbon, that carbon must be a saturated. Just here this Cl is attached to this carbon is what? Saturated, obviously, because this carbon do not containing any carbon carbon double bond and carbon carbon triple bond. Okay, that is why in this case what happened? The Cl attached to this carbon, what is the hybridization of this carbon? sp3, most important. Next, what is the hybridization of this carbon? sp3. You know very well about that PUC first year concept, the first topic organic chemistry is there, no? In that case, you know the 4 sigma bond, you are going to get a 4 sigma bond sp3, 3 sigma bond 1 lone pair, that is called sp2, 2 sigma bond 2 lone pair, that is called what? sp. That is a simple trick is there, okay. Better you have to refer PUC first year YouTube video, my video, okay. Next, this is what? 1-chloroethane, 1-chloroethane, okay. What is the IPC name of this one? 1-chloroethane. I am going to write here only 1-chloroethane. 1-chloroethane is the what? Example for alkyl halide, monohalogen derivatives of what? Halogen, okay, indirectly. Next one is what? Second one. What is that second one? Second one is what? Allylic. You have to take another example, CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl, Br, you have to take iodine, no problem. Usually do not take chlorine because chlorine is a more electronegativity, okay. Allylic halides, okay. Just here in this case, allylic halides means what? The halogen atom attached to a saturated carbon atom next to the carbon carbon double bond, that is called what? Allylic halides. Definition: halogen atom attached to the attached to the saturated carbon atom next to the carbon double bond, next to the carbon double bond or next to the saturated compound, that is called what? Allylic halides. Example for allylic halides: CH2 double bond CH, next one is what? CH2, this is what? Cl. With help of the example you have to write a definition. Just see here, the Cl is attached to this carbon is what? Saturated next to what? Carbon double bond. The definition is very simple. The halogen atom attached to this carbon or halogen atom attached to what? The saturated carbon atom next to the carbon double bond. Okay, the halogen atom attached to this carbon next to the what? Carbon double bond, that is indicate what? Allylic halide. Next you have to take example, another example for allylic halide. Okay, just see here. Okay, I wrote this example in what? Geminal dihalide, no? Okay, that is incorrect. This is what? Correct. This is 1 is there, this is what? 2 is there. Just see here, the halogen atom attached to saturated carbon atom next to what? Carbon double bond. Okay, this one is indicate what? Allylic halide. What is the IUPAC name of this one? You have to start from here, 1, 2, 3. In this case what? Otherwise you have to take 1, 2, 3. 3-chloropropene is a IUPAC nomenclature. In this case what happened? 1 bromo 1 methyl cyclohexene, 1 bromo 1 methyl group is there, 1 bromo you have to write 1 bromo 1 methyl, I am going to write, okay, 1 bracket 1 bromo 1 methyl 1 cyclohexene. ENE, because of what? Carbon double bond is there, no? That is why in this case 1 bromo 1 methyl cyclohexene. Next, the last one is what? That is benzylic halides. Okay, just I am going to remove this one. Benzylic halides. Okay, 3 classifications are there in saturated. The first one is alkyl halide, allylic halide. Next one is what? That is benzylic halides. Okay. Benzylic halides. Next one is what? Benzylic halides. Okay, this is definition is also very simple. The halogen atom attached to a saturated carbon atom next to the what? Aromatic ring. Aromatic ring means what? Benzene ring. Okay. The halogen atom attached to the saturated carbon atom or sp3 hybridized carbon atom, saturated carbon atom next to the aromatic ring, is called benzylic halides. The name only indicate, no, benzene. Okay, benzene is a aromatic compounds. It follow the Haeckel's rule, 4n plus 2 pi rule is there, no, PVC first year. Okay, that is indicate what? Aromatic compound. Example for benzylic halides, just see here. Next, this is, you have to take Br, chlorine, iodine. Okay, in this case same, 1 bromo 1 methyl, that is indicate what? Cyclo. You have to write what? Benzene. This one is indicate what? Benzylic halide. Just here, this halogen atom attached to this carbon is what? Saturated. Their next one is what? Benzene ring. The halogen atom attached to the saturated carbon atom next to the what? Aromatic ring, that is called what? Benzylic halides. Okay, next you have to take another example. Only change in the atom, that is it. Just I am going to write, see here. This is benzylic halides? No, because the halogen atom attached to a saturated carbon atom Next, one more saturated carbon atom is there. This is not an example of what? Benzylic halide, bear in mind. Okay. The exact right formula is what? Means right compound is what? This is Cl. The halogen atom attached to a saturated carbon atom next to the what? Benzene ring. This one is indicate what? Benzylic halide. Okay. Okay, next thing is, in this case what second one is there, that second one is what? The compounds containing